Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in my channel I'm going to show you that how to earn money at home in this video. So you can see that this is the most trusted app which I'm going to show you. It's a very easy app and all our trusted app. Now I'm going to go to Play Store and first we are going to search Hello app. This is an Indian app, so you can trust this so much and you can use it. So this is a very trusted app everyone could use and earn money. So I have already installed this in my phone so that I could open it. So I'm going to show you that what's new and you can better you can be in this app because it has followers. You can follow them, you can easily share it for your memes, and you can log in, log out, and you have 14 languages, and you can easily earn cash in that by your Paytm, and you can earn cash and video effect. It could be everything with the free download. Okay guys, this have 4.4 reviews and it has got 4.4 star. There are so many reviews which you can go through it. So there are so many reviews for it. This is the best app for 5. It had got 4.4 and it has so many good things. You can not only earn money with this app, but you can also do so much things in this app. You can enjoy watching video, you can follow, you can meet so many people, and you can text them, you can follow them, whatever you want you can do. Next I'm going to show you that Shop 101 app. This is also a best app. This I'll show you for ladies or anyone you have this is the logo of the app, and they have given you a video too. Then you can earn 1 lakh per month. Then you can zero investment, you can pick share and do it. Then you can do it in your college homes, high product, no risk and no tension. Every day you have celebrated, and good luck for your prosperity and never it will end. So Shop 101 is the best app. It has also got 4.4 stars and more reviews. They have given you an awesome review, and it has got everything positive commands. I'm going to show you the critical commands also. You can go through that and you can select your choice in that. So it has got so many things. I'll suggest you this app also, you can do it. And next video I'll post for this app how you can use officially. I'll show you. So you have the study case of this details about you can earn what, why Shop 101, anything you can get, support system, no competition, grow up your brand, fixable shipping, payment, everything you can. And they have given you the Insta link, Facebook link, and what's new, and more info also they have given you for your app info, updated version, downloads, everything they have given detailedly. You can go through this and you can download the app. Next I'm going to show you Meesho app. This is also like Shop 101 that you can do and sell your business. I told you guys is the logo. So guys, I've told you that I'll post the next video how you can use this app. I will help you to what to say that how you can use this app. Then this Meesho has also got 4.4. Guys, I'm showing all the apps which is no more than 4. I did not show you everything that which is best for you, and they are also have the link and what's new app info, more than 3 plus they have given, and they have reviews and so much things. This is also 4.4 they have given. You see the reviews they have given, and this is an amazing app like Shop 101. And you can also buy and sell. I'll show you that in my video which I'm going to post it with the official what is this app. I'll show you in the next video. So this you can do it in your home. See, you can see everything. Next I'm going to show you a Video Buddy app. This is also a money earning app, but it could be that you would enjoy by watching videos and everything you could do. This is the app. Okay, this is a free movie downloader. If you download that, this is video all that support you can have from this app. And about this has got see 4.6 apps, and you can see that about this app they have given so many friction, and 4.6 this have got, you can see all positive commands, and including everyone all have given so much positive commands for this, guys. And it's an amazing app, you can try it, guys. It's a super app. So guys, this are my suggestion for earning money in your home, or if purpose you could not go out for work. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.